Luxury, modern, brand new house here in Ayala, Southville. May lot area na 498 square meters. May 6-car garage, may garden. Pasok na tayo. May floor area na 500 square meters. Kaya napakalaki. Ito yung living area. Meron ka pang den dito. Pwedeng gawing office. Tapos itong malawak kong living space, merong adjacent na malaki ring lanay and garden. Meron ka ditong access papunta sa kitchen. Ang kitchen mo, just the same, very big. Meron ding malawak na daily kitchen at eto na ang yung dining area. Nasa taas yung iyong 4 bedrooms at may access ulit papunta dito sa iyong lanay. Kaya panoorin mo yung full house tour nito sa YouTube channel ng Home Search Philippines para makita mo yung price and full details. And I will see you on that video. Bye-bye!